Worshipful sir, I present to you Brother McConaughey, who has been appointed chaplain of this lodge.
Worshipful Brother Makaraeg, that holy book which adorns our sacred altar is a great light in masonry, and forever shed its benignant rays upon every lawful assemblage of free and accepted masons. Teach us from its life-giving precepts, invoke upon our labors, and the blessing of that divine being whose infinite goodness is so fully reveals and unfolds to us, and guide us by its lessons of wisdom and truth. And you will have faithfully fulfilled your important trust. It is your duty